Let's talk about the basic structure of Matrix. When you open Matrix, on the left-hand side, you list of projects. When you select a project, you get a matrix. This is your four quadrants, right? High priority, medium priority, low priority, and your catch-all, pretty much all the other tasks. When you create a task in Matrix, what happens is that on the right-hand side, you'll get what's called the item details. And so as you can see, when I click on the task, in my item details, I have information around what project it's in, the name of the task, the owner, the progress, effort, reminders, due dates, tags, link, and then you have the notes, chat, and resources. So with Matrix, you can add a lot of information that's relevant to every single task. The whole point is to actually give it proper context. So if you assign somebody something, it's actually very important that you tell them what it is you have to do. These are the files you need to look at, and then when is it due and what quadrant is it in. The most important thing about Matrix is prioritizing within the various quadrants. So let's say I created this task here and I want to move it to quadrant 1, I simply drag and drop. So when you use Matrix, I strongly encourage you to create your tasks, typically in quadrant 4, and then move them around. Once a week, spend at least 1 hour reviewing all your Matrix, reprioritizing the task, and that's where all the value is. We spend so much time doing things and we spend so little time deciding whether or not we should do them at all. So when you use Matrix, make sure that you create different projects for every single one of your list of priorities, and then within that, make sure you create the task and put them into these various buckets.